So in this video, I'm going to explain about the importance of Marquee tag, that is in HTML. So Marquee is a tag that is used to scroll a text in different directions, like towards left side, towards right side, towards downwards, and towards upwards. Generally, if you watch any news channels, generally some news is scrolling on the bottom of the TV screen towards left side. So that is called scrolling a text. So that can be do with the help of Marquee tag in HTML. So I will show you. For I'm using Edit Plus as a software to edit HTML files. I click on File and New, and I need to choose the type of file required. So here my requirement is to generate an HTML page. So I click on the HTML page. So the default code is generated by this editor. And as I told you that body is a tag that is used to display the output content. Okay, this tag is used to display the output content on the web page body part. So we need to keep the relevant statements in between open body tag and closing body tag. And I told you that the title tag importance is to display the purpose of this program. So the purpose of this program is Marquee tag. Okay, so Marquee tag is the title I given, and body tag. Here I want to display different engineering department streams using Marquee tag in different directions. I want to scroll. So the name of the tag is Marquee. Okay, and here I need to display the text with a larger font size. So I'm taking the help of a header level tag H1, and here the first department is computer science engineering. So computer science engineering. Okay, I need to close the Marquee tag. Why? Because at the beginning I opened it, I need to close it. In between open Marquee tag and closing Marquee tag, I want to display a department name with the largest font size, and the default scrolling direction is left side. Here I didn't specify, nowhere I specified the direction, but by default it is scrolled towards the left side of the screen. So before run this program, we need to save this one. So click on File, Save As, and already created a directory with the name Web Technologies in D drive. So in the same drive, I'm going to save this application, Marquee demo program. It is so Marquee demo.html. I'm assigning. Okay, now so open the directory. So where I created, so in the D drive, go to Web Technologies folder. We can find the a file with the name Marquee demo. So how do we run HTML file? By double clicking on the file. If you double click on it, some text is scrolled towards left side of the screen. You can observe computer science engineering. Computer science and engineering is the text that is displayed towards the left side. So where the scrolling direction is fixed. So here the default scrolling direction is towards left side. Suppose if I want other than left, if I want other than left, I want right side, I want towards upwards, I want towards downwards. How can we do it? So that I will show you. The same tag, I can specify direction. There is an attribute called direction. It is accepting four values: left, right, up, down. Left, right, up, and down. Here my requirement is other than left. Suppose if I want to move this text towards upwards, so I can fix the direction as up. I need to save this one, open the browser, and it is showing the previous output. So if you want to update the changes, click on the refresh button. If you observe, the text is scrolling towards the upwards of the screen. Okay, yeah. The same way I want to, you see, towards down also I want to display. Towards down, the same message. The same message. So I'm using one more Marquee tag in the same program, but this time I changed the direction as down. The previous direction is up. Now the direction is down. So I click on the save button, open the browser. Now you see there are two text messages are displaying. One is scrolling towards the upwards, another one is scrolling the towards the downwards. If you observe, the towards the downwards doesn't reach up to the end of the screen here. Why? Because there are some default width and default height is considered. If we want to change the default width and height, we need to pass those attributes inside the marquee tag. Suppose I want to set some width as 300, height has some 400. Okay, height has 400. Then you can observe. Click on the save button, open the browser and refresh the button. Now you see here the width is increasing only for the first marquee tag. Why? Because I set width and height for the first marquee tag, but I did not set the width and height attributes for my second marquee tag. So in my second marquee tag, it is taken a limited range of the area. Only within that range, the text is scrolling towards the bottom or downwards. But the first one is taking occupies a large amount of space. What is that space? 300 by 400. So width is equals to 300 and height is equals to 400. But here the border is not visible. The 300 by 400 section area is not visible. If we want to display it, we need to set the BZ color as one more attribute inside the marquee tag. We can fix this one. Suppose if I apply pink color as a background color for first marquee tag, you can see. So there is a area with the specified dimensions 300 as width, 400 as height. Okay, within that range, the specified text is scrolled towards up. Why? Because we explicitly mentioned that the direction is up. Okay, but coming to the second one, we did not fix the width and height, and we did not set the background color. That is the reason it is occupied in the very little amount of space. So, for if I want to apply the same changes for the second text also, so I need to set width is equals to, so same width and same height I want to maintain. So height is equals to 400 and BZ color is equals to blue, something I will apply. Some valid color name we need to assign for this field. Now click on the save button, open the browser. So one more box will appear on your screen once I click on the refresh button. You see here. So computer science and engineering is the main text that is displayed in the first box within the specified dimension 300 by 400. In the next dimension, it is displayed in the blue color because I set the background color as blue. Similarly, I want to display another text, the same text in towards right side, scrolling towards right side. So what I will do, I need to copy this entire marquee tag and paste it here. Okay. This time I want to scroll the text towards right side of the screen. Right side of the screen. I need to change the color also. So there is one color called magenta. Just I applied that color name. Observe the difference. So one more box will appear if once I click on the refresh button. You see here, this is pink color, this is blue color, this is magenta color. The same text in three boxes, the same text is displayed, but the scrolling direction is different. In the first one, it is rotating towards upwards. In the second one, towards down. In third one, towards right side. So as I told you that at the beginning, I did not specify the direction attribute. Then the text is scrolled towards left. So the same thing I will do it in the last time. So one more time, I will paste the marquee tag and this time I remove the direction attribute. Why I am removing? Why? Because I want to apply left. I want to apply the scrolling direction left. So the default scrolling direction is left. So no need to specify that attribute, but I need to highlight the width and height with some color. So for that I am doing this one, red color. Okay. So save this program, open the browser. Now one more box will appear. See, one more box will appear with the specified dimensions 300 and 400. 300 has the width and 400 has the height. I will change computer science and engineering. So 4 times I used this text, 4 times I'm using this symbol, computer science and engineering. Okay. Suppose I want to change the color of the text. See, in all four boxes, the color of the text is in black color only. Okay, in my previous video, I explained that how do we set the color for header tags by passing one attribute called style. So I need to pass one more attribute called style. Here, my interest is to change the color of the text. So there is a property called color. Okay, for this color, I need to assign some color. So my background is pink. So I will apply some other color which is matched to the background color of the pink. So for example, if I apply red color, okay, first I will observe the changes, whether it applies the red color on the first box or not. You see, in the first box, the color is applied as red color. But in the second box, third box, and fourth box, the color is in the default color that is called black color. Now, in the second header level tag, in second marquee tag also, if you want to apply some new colors other than black, we need to pass an attribute called style, and we need to set the property called color. Okay, so for example, green. Why? Because here the background is blue color, so I took foreground color as green color. So save this application and refresh the page, observe the changes. See, this is on black, I apply, sorry, on blue, I applied green color. It looks like this. Similarly, I want to apply some other color for my third one. So again, I need to pass style attribute. So style is equals to color colon. Suppose yellow I applied. Okay. So changes, save this one and refresh the page. You see, on third one, the yellow color, the text color is displayed in yellow. Okay. And the last one, for the last one also, we need to apply style attribute if you are want to change the color of the text. So only color field I want to change. That's the reason only color property I set the value for the only color property. So color colon some, what is the color? Red color. So I will apply some aqua blue color will be applied on the text. So save this application. Okay, this is the save button. Open the browser and refresh the page to make the changes. See, like this it will apply. So in this way, we can use Marquee tag to scroll the text in different directions. In the first one towards up, the next one towards down, the next one towards right, and the next last one towards left. The default scrolling direction is towards left. If you want other than left, we need to specify an attribute called direction. Which direction we want? We need to set that value. It is accepting four values: up, down, right, and left. If you want to apply this direction to a certain range, we need to pass width and height. If you want to view that zone, you need to apply some background color. So within that specified range is highlighted with this background color. And what information we want to scroll, that information we need to pass in between open marquee tag and closing marquee tag. I want to highlight the text with the largest font size, so I took the help of inbuilt header tag h1, and I also applied foreground color for my text as color colon red. Here green, here it is yellow, here it is aqua.